Hey guys, what's up? Today we're diving into a comparison of three awesome wireless earbuds, EarFun Air Pro 3, Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, and our favorite, TOZO NC9 Hybrid ANC. If you're thinking about grabbing new earbuds and feeling confused about which ones to pick, this few-minute review is just for you. We'll break down their looks, sound, noise cancellation, battery life, call quality, features, and price in a super chill way. And trust me, I'll show you why TOZO NC9 steals the show. So, let's get started. First up, let's check out how these earbuds look and feel. First, EarFun Air Pro 3. These come with a solid, modern-looking case that's lightweight and comfy to wear for long. With an IPX5 water resistance rating, they're great for the gym or a bit of rain. Second, Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Samsung's got a premium vibe with a wingtip design that keeps them secure during workouts. The case is compact and stylish, but the IPX2 rating only handles light splashes. Now, TOZO NC9 TOZO's the real deal. The case is sleek and pocket-friendly, and IPX6 waterproofing makes these perfect for workouts, running, or even heavy rain. Plus, they come with different ear tip sizes for a killer fit. Our pick, TOZO, takes the crown here, especially for outdoor use. Sounds the heart of any earbuds, right? EarFun Air Pro 3. These support aptX adaptive and LDAC for high-quality audio. The sound is balanced, deep bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. You can tweak it with their app's EQ settings. Samsung Galaxy Buds FE. Samsung leans heavy on bass, perfect for pop or hip-hop fans. Mids and highs are decent, but they lack the sharpness of EarFun. Their app has some EQ options, but it's limited. TOZO NC9. Listen up, TOZO's a game changer. The bass is punchy, vocals are crisp, and they're great for both music and podcasts. The app offers 32 EQ presets, so you can tune the sound to your vibe. No high-res codecs, but at this price, the sound is so awesome you won't even care. Our pick, TOZO's sound and customization are top-notch. ANC is all about blocking out the world. Let's see who does it best. First, let's talk about the EarFun Air Pro 3. Their hybrid ANC is solid, cutting out low-frequency noise like traffic or fans. The transparency mode lets you hear your surroundings decently. And for Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, Samsung's ANC is impressive, especially for mid- and high-frequency noises like cafe chatter. The transparency mode feels super natural, great for travel or jogging. And if we talk about the TOZO NC9, TOZO's ANC is awesome at blocking low-end noise, like bus horns or metro rumbles. It's a bit weaker on high-pitched sounds compared to Samsung, but for the price, this ANC is a steal. Transparency mode gets the job done too. Our pick, TOZO's ANC performance is unbeatable in this budget range. Who doesn't want earbuds that last forever? In EarFun Air Pro 3, with ANC on, you get 7 hours per charge and 45 hours with the case. Wireless and fast charging make it super convenient. For Samsung Galaxy Buds FE, these give 6 hours with ANC and 21 hours with the case. Fast charging's there, but no wireless charging. And on the other hand, if we talk about TOZO NC9, guys, TOZO blows everyone away. 8 hours with ANC and a massive 55 hours with the case. Plus, you get wireless and USB-C charging. This kind of battery life in this price range is unreal. Our pick, TOZO's battery life is the absolute winner. Call quality clear calls are a must, right? So, EarFun Air Pro 3 comes with 6 mics and CVC 8.0. Calls are decent, but they struggle a bit in super noisy places. And in Samsung Galaxy Buds FE mics shine, especially in noisy environments. Voice clarity is solid, making these great for calls. And on TOZO NC9, TOZO's 6 mics and AI clear call feature deliver awesome call quality. They're just a hair behind Samsung, but for this price, it's a pleasant surprise. Our pick, TOZO nails call quality too. What else do these earbuds bring to the table? EarFun Air Pro 3, Bluetooth 5.3, multi-point connection, and a game mode for low-latency gaming or videos. The app supports EQ tweaks and firmware updates. And Samsung Galaxy Buds FE has Bluetooth 5.2, auto-switching for Samsung devices, and Bixby Assistant. There's a game mode, but no multi-point connection. And TOZO NC9, Bluetooth 5.3, 32 EQ presets, and a game mode. In-ear detection auto-pauses music, which is super handy. No multi-point, but the app and smooth connectivity make it user-friendly. Our pick, TOZO's features offer the most value in this range. Now, let's talk money. EarFun Air Pro 3 come around in $68 to $70, which I think is more expensive if we compare to its features. And Samsung Galaxy Buds FE price is around $64 in this price point. I can say it provides decent for the Samsung brand and ANC. Now TOZO T9 at just $30. For this price, you get killer features, insane battery life, and awesome sound. It's hands down the best deal. TOZO's price makes it a no-brainer. So, which one to buy? Alright, time for the verdict. Let's first talk about EarFun Air Pro. 3 is great if you want high-res sound and multi-point connection. And Samsung Galaxy Buds FE is cool if you're in the Samsung ecosystem and want premium ANC. But guys, TOZO NC9 is the real MVP. Super affordable, crazy battery life, awesome sound, solid ANC, and tons of features. Whether you're a student, working pro, or gym buff, TOZO fits every vibe. So in the last, I just want to say TOZO, just for good sound. And if you love this review, don't forget to like and follow for more cool stuff.